Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking and unblocking users on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching TikTok and finding the profile of the person you want to block. You can do that via your following or follower list by searching on the Discover page. Open their profile page and then tap on the Settings button from the top right of the screen. From here, you can just select Block and then confirm your decision on the pop-up. This user is now effectively blocked from viewing your information on TikTok. You can view a list of the users you have blocked by going to your profile page and then tapping the Settings button at the top right of the screen. From Settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. On this page, under the Safety heading, open up Blocked Accounts. This page shows a list of your blocked accounts. Simply tap the Unblock button to unblock them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.